Hi, would you like to sell your house as is without doing any repairs, without getting a sign on your yard, without showings, and while saving on commissions and closing expenses? You would? Well, listen, I have great news for you. My name is Henry Artiga. I am with eXp Realty. I am a licensed professional over 15 years. My license number is S0173900. And today I have great news for you, my friend. I'm going to tell you how you can list and sell your property while saving a lot of money on commissions and closing expenses. All right, so relax for a few minutes. I'm going to show you how to do it today. All right, number one, all right, you don't have to list the property on the MLS. Number two, you don't need to show your properties to a bunch of different clients. You don't want to have a bunch of people walking in and out of your house, okay? Number three, you don't even have to place a for sale sign on your front yard. You don't need a sign at all, okay? Number four, if you have a lot of repairs to do, don't worry about them. You don't need to do any type of repairs. You can sell your house as is, and you don't even have to clean it. That's right. Number five, okay, you can save 3% or more on commissions and closing expenses. That's right. You can save a lot of money, and you can keep that in your pocket so you can have a much bigger Christmas, or you can take a very nice vacation. All right. If you want more details, click below, or you can text Henry A altogether, HENRYA altogether, to 702-747-8953. I look forward to talking to you soon. All right. Take care.